What's up, guys? I got to use the podium due to some erroneous planning this week. I did not put in sufficient time on this speech. It's a speech based on organizing your speech, and it's going to be horrifically disorganized, so I apologize for that. How many of you are familiar with the Citizens United versus the United States of America Supreme Court case? Would you be interested in telling us a little bit about what that case involved?
Maybe a little bit, it was like 3 days ago.
3 days ago. I got you. Same thing here. We're on the same page. Citizens United was basically a court case in 2002 that dealt with political contributions from major organizations, corporations, and unions, things like that. What happened with Citizens United was that it was eventually ruled by the Supreme Court that it was a violation of First Amendment rights to prevent these organizations from making political donations that they'd made before. What this led to, that became a big issue in the 2012 election, was the creation of the super PAC. Who's familiar with the term super PAC? You've all heard of that? Okay, what is, Toastmaster Chalfont, what's your understanding of the super PAC?
Well, my understanding of super PAC is it's an organization set up purely for collecting money for either a cause or a personal campaign that various people or organizations can donate to themselves.
Right, that's exactly right. Now these are ruled to have been constitutionally legal based on what happened in the Citizens United case in 2002. Now, I'm a big supporter of free speech, massive supporter, but I'm here to talk to you about why I think that super PACs are a very big problem and why I think they're dangerous for our democracy, and why I'm going to be hopefully proposing a law in student legislature for South Carolina to limit the amount of donations that people can give to super PACs. The financial number, I guess, would be the way to put it. What has happened with the creation of super PACs is that now people are allowed to take as much money as they would like to give. For instance, Sheldon Adelson in 2012 gave $15 million, not directly to Newt Gingrich's campaign, but he spent $15 million on ads, different sorts of events that were basically trashing other people in the Republican primary election. There were limits on the amount of money that organizations like this, unions and corporations, could spend in the political arena from 1924 until 2008, basically. 2010 is when this stopped. I think that the fact that corporations and unions can donate unlimited amounts of money that they can get from whatever source without having to name the source, which is the power super PAC gives, is a very scary thing. And I think it's something that's going to hurt the little man in our democracy, where he's already disappearing to a bad way. So what I would propose to you guys today is I'd like everyone here to do a little bit of research about super PACs, come to understand what you will, and there's going to be a petition going up probably in the next 2 weeks, hoping for people to limit super PACs in South Carolina. I'm asking for you guys' support. This is kind of a rally. Not exactly okay, I don't think, but this is the direction we're taking. So if you guys would do that for me, I would appreciate it. Thank you, Toastmasters. Yeah.